Hey guys, packing can be a real headache, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are the ultimate travel essentials you should never leave home without. First up, a reliable travel backpack. Make sure it's comfortable and has lots of compartments. Trust me, organization is key. Next, a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're on the go. Plus, it's eco-friendly. Don't forget your travel-sized toiletries. Pack shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, and all your daily essentials. Pro tip, use reusable silicone bottles. Now let's talk about tech. A portable charger is a lifesaver. You don't want your phone dying in the middle of an adventure. And don't forget your universal travel adapter. Staying connected is crucial. Another must-have is a good travel wallet. Keep your passport, cards, and cash all in one place. Safety first, folks. For all you bookworms, an e-reader is a game changer. Load it up with your favorite reads without the extra weight. And of course, a first aid kit. You never know when you'll need a band-aid or some pain relief. Better safe than sorry. Last but not least, comfy shoes. Whether you're exploring a city or hiking a trail, your feet will thank you. So there you have it. With these essentials, you'll be ready for anything. Happy travels, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.